Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in bright white. With automatic headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles only on the odometer, a 10.1-inch touchscreen display navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, heated rear seats, power liftgate, and equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.